Hello warriors. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are back with an interesting video. Is 7 really a lucky number? बचपन से ना मैंने सुना है कि 7 लकी नंबर होता है. आई होप आप लोगों ने भी ये सुना होगा. बाकी का तो पता नहीं पर लॉ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो है. Let me tell you a secret. All the important things or point in an act is in section 7 or in section 2 clause 7. How? Let's discuss. First, Arbitration and Conciliation Act. Now, what is arbitration agreement? The answer is in section 7. Section 7 defines arbitration agreement. Next, Hindu Marriage Act. To solemnize Hindu marriage, there must be ceremonies performed. Ceremonies is one of the important part of the Hindu marriage, which is mentioned under which section? Again, the answer is section 7. You can remember it with another trick, Sat Fera, and section 7. Sat Fera is important ceremony of Hindu marriage. Now, marriage is a partnership. For a marriage, it is important that your partnership is at will. Partnership at will is defined where? Again, your answer is section 7. Section 7 of Partnership Act defines partnership at will. Next, Companies Act 2013. To start a company, you should incorporate a company. The process to incorporate a company is given where? Again, your answer is section 7. Banking Regulation Act 1944. Bank is not defined anywhere, but your section 7 tells you that only banking company can use bank, banker or banking in its name. Next is Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. This whole act talks about three parties. What are these three parties? Your answer is again in section 7. They are drawer, drawee, pay. Now we will discuss about section 2 clause 7 of different acts. First is Sale of Goods Act. This whole act is based on goods, and goods are defined where? Section 2 clause 7. Next is Consumer Protection Act 2019. This whole act is for the protection of consumer, and consumer are defined where? Section 2 clause 7. Next is Code of Civil Procedure. This we are going to understand with different career opportunities you can opt after completing your law. If you want to work in your area and you also wanted a government job, you can become a government pleader. Government pleader is defined where? 2 clause 7. आपका ड्रीम इससे भी ज़्यादा बड़ा है, but you want to work in your state only. Then you can go to High Court. High Court is defined where? Section 2 clause 7A. और इससे भी बड़ा आपका ड्रीम है तो you can go to Supreme Court of India. India is defined where? Section 2 clause 7B. I hope you all like these tricks. If you like these tricks, then don't miss to like this video and to subscribe this channel. Thank you.